Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to change into dark mode. So if you want to change into dark mode in Microsoft Excel, you can go to File menu, click Option, and in General, you can scroll down and you can see we have this Office Dump colorful. You can change into dark gray. After it, you can click OK. And the Microsoft Excel will be changed into dark mode. So if you want to change back into default, you can go to File again, click Option, and then you can change into colorful. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to change to dark mode. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.